Every mountain on Earth is born from violent forces. When tectonic plates, massive slabs of the Earth's crust, smash together, they force millions of tons of solid rock miles into the sky. But the moment a mountain rises, the planet starts tearing it down. Wind, rain, and shifting ice act like sandpaper, relentlessly wearing away the stone. You can read the age of a landscape just by looking at its profile. Young mountains have sharp, jagged peaks. Ancient mountains have been ground down into soft, rolling hills. Under the standard rules of geology, given enough time, nothing keeps a sharp edge. Then there is the surface of Antarctica, a vast, blindingly white expanse of flat ice. Buried deep under the Antarctic ice is an entire mountain range roughly the size of the European Alps. These are the Gamburtsev Mountains, locked in permanent darkness. Geologists know this range formed hundreds of millions of years ago. Despite that immense age, their profiles are razor-sharp and violently rugged. If they are ancient, they should look like rolling hills. Why haven't they eroded like every other old mountain range on the planet? We have to answer an obvious question first. How do we know they are jagged if no human eye has ever directly seen them? Scientists map this ghost world using ground-penetrating radar. Aircraft fire continuous pulses of energy straight down. The waves travel through the frozen water, hitting dense rock below and bouncing right back. Timing each signal's return lets scientists plot a precise 3D map of the buried peaks. We can trace the exact shape of a mountain range that we can never physically touch. Usually, ice is highly destructive. A moving, heavy glacier acts like a massive belt sander, grinding solid stone down to dust. But millions of years ago, the atmosphere above Antarctica experienced an extreme drop in temperature, freezing the continent much faster than a typical ice age. The sudden freeze meant the bottom layer of ice didn't slide. It fused directly to the bedrock at a microscopic level. This cryogenic shell sealed the range, completely blocking the wind and water that normally wear rock away. The Antarctic ice sheet placed the Gamburtsev Range into a permanent state of geological suspended animation. Antarctica serves as the Earth's most secure geological vault. Beneath that roof, a sprawling, pristine landscape identical in size to the European Alps sits exactly as it did millions of years ago, completely hidden from the world. The Gamburtsev Mountains are the singular place on the planet where the geologic clock effectively stopped ticking. The immense, crushing ice sheet that keeps these mountains permanently locked away from our eyes is the exact reason they survived to be discovered in the first place.